Here we have the Cobbe Shower Filter Shower Head. So this shower head has a built-in filter in the neck here that helps just get rid of like hard water and chlorine, just making it softer on your skin so you don't get itchy and dry skin as often. What's nice is it comes with this arm, so it's a detachable shower head from here. And then if I turn the shower on, here on the side you have this button here. So change the different shower options, so you can change how you want your shower head to be. That way you can adjust and personalize your shower experience. I hope you enjoy it just as much as me and my family have.